If you forgot your Facebook password, don't worry, because in this video, I'll show you the safest and easiest way to get back into your account. Now, just to be clear, you can't actually see your old Facebook password directly, but you can reset it in a few simple steps and log back in quickly. This is the method most people use when they forget their password, lose access to their account, or just need to set a new one. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open the Facebook login page in your browser or in the Facebook app. On the sign-in screen, look for the option that says Forgot Password and tap or click it. This is the first step in the account recovery process. Facebook will then ask you to enter the email address or phone number that you used to create your account. Make sure you type it correctly, because this is how Facebook finds your profile and sends the recovery options. After that, Facebook will give you a few verification methods depending on what's linked to your account. You may see an option to get a code by email or a code by SMS to your phone. Choose the method that you can access right now. If your phone number is still active and connected to your Facebook account, the text message option is usually the fastest. If you no longer have access to that number, then the email method may be the better choice. Once you choose your verification method, Facebook will send you a code. Go to your email inbox or check your text messages, then copy the code you received. Enter that code into the Facebook verification screen. If the code is correct, Facebook will confirm that you are the account owner and move you to the next step. Now you'll be asked to create a new password. This is where you set a fresh password that you can remember, but it should still be strong and secure. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols if possible. Try not to reuse an old password, and make sure it's something only you can remember. Once you've typed the new password, save it and confirm the change. After that, go back to the Facebook login page and sign in using your email or phone number and your new password. If everything was done correctly, you should now have full access to your account again. At this point, it's a good idea to check your account settings and make sure your recovery email and phone number are up to date, so getting back in will be easier next time. And that's it. That's how you recover your Facebook account if you forgot your password. Remember, you're not really viewing the old password, you're resetting it safely through Facebook's official recovery process. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.